Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we are going to focus one important problem, examination point of view. You understood the basic concept of future value technique, right? Future value technique, two methods are there. One is single flow, second one is annuity method. Today's problem, what we are going to do, that's important as per the single flow only. Single flow, it may be a present value or future value. In present value also same kind of problem you are going to get, but I am teaching you only one problem you may expect in present value also. Today we are going to see future value because future value technique we have covered already. Important, just focus 5 minutes. If you understood last concepts, this is easy, nothing to worry. So let's see the problem. Calculate the value of 5 years hence of a deposit of 1000 made today. Means today we are making a deposit of 1000. Calculate the value of 5 years means future value we have to calculate. They don't tell you directly, we have to understand. Okay, so calculate the value of 5 years hence of deposit of 1000 made today if the interest rate is, generally one interest rate we used to get. Now if the interest rate is 8%, one option, second option 10%, third option 12%, means 3 times we have to calculate by changing the interest rates. Very easy. Same method. We know the formula. What is the formula? FVN, future value, n number of times. FVN is equal to V naught into 1 plus R to the power of n. Simple formula. We know it. So abbreviations also you have to write. Same like this only. What is this FVN? FVN is future value at the end of the period. We know everything. V naught is principal amount at the beginning of the period. What is the principal amount? 1000. And what else? I is interest rate. Interest rates are, if you are going for option 1, 8%. If you are going second option, 10. Third option, 12%. It varies. Okay. And n is, you know, number of years. Okay. So this is the problem is given like this. I have written the formula and also abbreviations of the formula. Let's focus first method, that is assuming that 8% interest. I'll write here first method, 8% interest. Formula we know, FVN is equal to V naught. V naught is here constant. V naught is not going to change, only interest rate is going to change. So V naught is here 1000. 1000 into 1 plus R. R is here in the first case 8%, na? So 0.8 you can say, or if you take 8% means it is 0.8 only. Okay, that I have written directly. In to the power of n. How many years? Years are 5 years. Okay, so to the power of 5. Simple calculation. Okay, so what we are going to do, 1000 into 1.8, 1 plus 0.8, it comes to 1.8. 1 point to the power of 5. 1.8 to the power of 5. If we calculate it like this, 5 times we have to calculate, right? So 1.8 into 1.8 into 1.8 into 1.8 into 1.8. 5 times if we use the calculator, you are going to get 1.08. This is, yeah, this is 1.08, not 0.8. So this is 1.08, right? 10 by 8%, no? 8 divided by 100. It comes to 0.08. 0.08. It means 1.08. 1 plus 0.08, 1.08. Okay, so 1.08 into 1.08 into like this, if we calculate it, so 5 times we have to calculate. If you even press the calculator like this, 1.08 into 1.08, 5 times. Okay, third time now 1.08 into now fourth time and fifth time. So you are going to get 1.49. I have written already 1.4693.28. Okay, so the same amount, can you see? Same amount I have written. So this you are going to get, this value is 1.4693. 1.469328 also you will write. So this is the value we are going to get. Now calculation is easy. 1000 into this value, manual calculations. Whenever you get such kind of problem, do it manually. No need of future value table. Directly you can do it. So into 1.469328. Multiply with 1000. You will get 1469. 1469.32. 32 means 33 you can write. So this is the answer as per the interest rate of 8%. Next, as per the interest rate of 10%. This is over now. In the same way, as per the interest rate of 10%. Formula is same. FVN is equal to 1000 into 1 plus 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. 0.10, 0.10. Anyway, I'll calculate it. I'm very poor in maths. 10 divided by 100. Yeah, correct. To the power of 5. Now here 1.1 like this you calculate it. 1.10, 1.10, 5 times. Five times you press it on calculator, you are going to get this amount. I have written. Okay. So your value is here. What is the value? This one, 1.61051. So 1000 into second step, should I write? Yes. 1.10 to the power of 5. Third step is 1000 into value will be 1.61051. So how much you are going to get? 1000 into 1.61051. It comes to 1610. 1610.51. Second method is also over. Now what about the third one? Pause the video and do it. This also I have to show you. Pause the video. Yes, you calculate and check out with my answer. Practice. Those who cannot, look at the board. 1000 into 1 plus, what is the percentage? 12%. 12% means 0.12 to the power of 5. If you do it like this, 0.12 now. So this is 1000 into 1.12 to the power of 5. 1.12 to the power of 5. 1.12 will make changes. If you calculate it, you are going to get this amount. Why to press the calculator? I have written already by calculating. So the amount what you are going to get is 1.76. 1000 into 1.76234. Now this, if you calculate with 1000 into 1.76234, you will get 1762.34. Hope it is clear. Nothing to worry, we know everything. Only the thing is they are asking us to calculate it. If a percentage is 8%, 10%, 12%, means 3 times we have calculated. By changing the interest rate. Interest rate we have, here you have written 8%, means 8 by 100, that is 0.08. Here 10% means 0.10. Here 12%, 0.12. Calculation, simple calculations. Practice is required. Calculations. because if you calculate the calculations, if you are perfect, you will not do any mistake, because method is we know. Remember the formula also, simple. Hope with this video you are clear with this future value technique. Future value, how many techniques are there? 2 techniques. One is future value single flow and future value annuity. Okay, next class we'll see present value. With present value we can conclude our chapter, this one. Okay, time value of money. In the next classes we'll go for capital budgeting also. We'll see more. Practice well. By the way, don't forget to share these videos. Everything is free of cost for you all. Utilize it, get good marks and have a bright career, and make your parents as a proud parents. Take care. Good luck.